So what's the trick when it comes to succeeding in affiliate marketing? The simple answer is you want to test an offer every single 3 days. That's the formula. If you test a brand new offer every single 3 days, you're going to get results. Now, I don't want to just go ahead and just tell you this is a blueprint, go ahead and try it. I want to go actually show you guys proof that this works. This is one of my students, Alex. He's been literally testing an offer every 3 days. Every 3 days, he'll test a new ClickBank offer, and guess what? He's hit his first $1,000 day, and he's actually scaled way past that and gone to like crazy heights with affiliate marketing. Here's a segment from my program showing Alex's results, as well as showing what helped him hit $1,000 days with affiliate marketing and the power of literally testing a new offer every single day. Congratulations on the $1,000 day.
Oh my God, that day, I was so happy that day. Oh my God. It was profitable as well. It was crazy because all my other assets, which was it started to take off really good, but I don't know how you come to test like once a product every 2 to 3 days.
Yes.
So I was just testing the first one. I was testing the why men pull away, and that one was going really good, and it started to die off.
Okay.
So I already had the other one on the other system, the other product.
Nice.
Which was converting crazy, and then one day it just converted. Like that day we had like 14 plus purchases with one ad set.
Dude, that's amazing. So the scaling strategy is working.
So I started scaling it, but I scaled it too quick. That's a problem, and I ran out of budget. I'm like, yikes.
Dude, that's good. You're getting close, man. It's getting very, very warm. You get consistent results.
Because it was going good. It was like hitting that 500. It was going 300 and then 500. And then it went to 600, and it went to 800, 700, and just 1,000. I was like, wow.
Dude, that's amazing. What do you think sort of changed? Like what sort of light bulb switch turned on that went from like making no sales or maybe 1 or 2 sales every few days to being consistent and getting $300, $400, $500 every single day?
To be honest, I reckon it's the Facebook strategy. It's ridiculous. I was, because before I got on the call before I signed up with you, I was getting some sales, but it wasn't profitable. Like it was just break even. It wasn't profitable, and it wasn't consistent. That's the thing. When I started to implement what you were telling me, like I even write it down in my note. You were telling me to do the 3 to plus purchases. Run 3 ads every single time. When to kill, when he doesn't get initial checkouts, when he went to break 50% from your break-even point, he doesn't get an initial checkout, you turn it off. The thing is with me before, I didn't have that that understanding and that knowledge. Mm-hmm. So I'll just have to do it off my head. But once you have that blueprint and that formula that you provided for us, they provided for me that, and I just took it, and then you just tell them to run another product, and that's the only way. But that's the light switch.
Beautiful. So the biggest sort of help was the killing metrics, so knowing when to kill, when to scale, as well as knowing the importance of testing new offers every few days. And those two are probably the biggest thing that sort of helped you get consistent results.
Yes, because I can even see on YouTube when I was watching YouTube videos. I don't watch them anymore. When I was watching the YouTube videos, they would use most of the people were like, okay, you run this one offer, and this one offer will be crazy. When you're getting sales, just let it run. But they won't tell you to test another product. They won't let you test another product, and that's the consistency to keep testing products. That's the game we're in.
Got it. So what really allowed you to get consistent sales, and so what happened before was you had 2 offers running simultaneously, so when one died you had another one, so always testing offers one after another and not getting attached to one offer.
Nah, because I was running at least 3 products at once, that conversions, but the other one was all that killed up because it was the PP ads.
Yeah.
But the conversion was 3 products I was running, and they were making money.
Dude, that's amazing to hear.
They're all making money, but I scaled it way too quick. I created those lookalikes way too quick. Not quick. It was the right timing to credit, but I didn't think about my budget. That's a problem.
Got it. Okay, so I'm glad to hear that. Like just testing many offers is the right way to go, and that worked.
That absolutely worked.
As you can see, pretty crazy results, right? Like, that's the power of consistency. This is sort of what I preach with every single business. It's just consistent testing every single day. That's how you go ahead and succeed, and that's how you go ahead and get results. For example, with dropshipping, I preach testing one product every single day. So now with affiliate marketing, same thing. You want to test at least one new offer every 3 days. If you're good, test a new offer every single day. But that does take time because you need to set up your landing pages, you need to set up the pixels. So it does take a bit longer. So one new offer every 3 days works. Question of the day. Have you ever tried affiliate marketing? Let me know, drop your answers in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Other than that, I want to announce last week's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consultant course with me. The winner is here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.